Post this on YouTube, but we're literally in a tornado thing. Or not a tornado, but there's been 7 tornado sirens. I kept count. What is that? What is that? And so we're right now in my car, and we are driving somewhere, which I do not have no idea. But I don't know where the funnel crowd is, and it is so scary right now. We are literally about to die. We're not gonna die. Oh, what if that falls? That is gonna be crazy. That's gonna fall. That is gonna be crazy. And so it is literally so scary. Subscribe right now if you want us to survive. Ava Rally right now. Oh my god. We are literally so. I'm so scared. There's been 7 sirens. And I think I hear the 8th siren right now. But, yeah, there's been a lot of alerts. There's been a lot of things. Yep, that's the 8th siren, but you probably can't hear it because I barely could hear it. And it is so scary right now. I have my seatbelt on for safety, damn it. And it's thundering, lightning. It is scary right now. It is raining right now. I'm so scared. But my little brother over here, Nate, is more scared than me. See? He's literally crying his tears off. But it was like raining. It's like raining right now, and it's like so scary. Wait, is that the photo clock? That's not it. I don't think that's it. Oh my god, what was that? Okay, we are literally so scared. I am so scared. And where's that false chair? That is so tall. I'm literally so scared. I'm freaking out. You probably can't hear me right now because all this wind. Yeah, it is currently 8:33, and I'm recording this because I want you guys to see. Some of you probably that watch my videos, probably by time, will not see this, but that's alright. Yeah, and we're now driving so far. Is the 8th siren still going on? The 9th siren. What? Oh, police! We will, police! There's police. The 9th siren has alerted everyone. The 9th siren. This wind is so crazy. Picture. It is so windy right now. It's crazy. And I'm so scared. That's the rain. We are now driving. Tornado, I think. You can't hear me right now. Oh, Jesus.
I think it's fine. That's about an EF5. If it's an EF5, that's as big as the chocolate tornado.
What's an EF5?
The biggest tornado.
Oh no, I think we're gonna die now. But we're alright because I think the 10th siren is going on now. But I'm not sure because I can't hear. Because we're like falling. Where are we going? I have no idea where we're going, but all I know is we're in the car right now. Oh my gosh. My battery's now at 15%, but I'm scared.
Okay, yeah.
Nate, tell them how you feel.
Scared.
Nate feels scared. Alright. I feel weird. And then that's the grass, and it's like so crazy. I think we're driving not towards the tornado. I think we're driving away from the tornado. And I think I know. I think I know it's the wrong time to be recording a video, but I want to post this on YouTube. I'll get millions of likes, and yeah, I'm so scared. Oh my gosh, what is that? Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. That literally looks like a tornado right there. That literally looks like a tornado. Not sure if that's it, but let me pause this video. I'm back now, and that's all today. have amazing day. Subscribe, hit that bell like, comment if you're still alive.